If 5 comma negative 7 is a point on the terminal side of an angle, what is the reference angle in radians, and what is the smallest possible positive angle containing the point? Let's first plot the point 5 comma negative 7. Because we're looking for the smallest possible positive angle containing this point, the angle has the initial side along the positive x-axis and the terminal side passing through the point. And again, because we're looking for the smallest possible positive angle, we are looking for this angle here. On the coordinate plane, tangent theta is equal to y divided by x. So if we call the angle we are looking for angle A, we know that tangent A must equal, again, y divided by x, which is negative 7/5. And now to solve this equation for angle A, we would take the inverse tangent of both sides of the equation. Simplifying on the left, inverse tangent of tangent A is equal to A. We have angle A is equal to inverse tangent of negative 7/5. And now we'll go to the calculator, evaluate inverse tangent of negative 7/5, and use that information to determine the reference angle as well as the measure of angle A, the angle we have diagrammed. Going to the calculator, it's important to make sure the calculator is in radian mode, and once in radian mode, click inverse tangent, negative 7 divided by 5, right arrow, close parenthesis, and enter. To 4 decimal places, we have negative 0.9505 radians. And right away, we know this is not the angle we are looking for because it's negative. So let's go ahead and label this angle A prime. This angle starts along the positive x-axis, rotates clockwise 0.9505 radians, which should be this angle here that is coterminal to the angle we are looking for. So while it's not the angle we are looking for, it does help us determine the reference angle, which is the positive angle between the terminal side and the positive x-axis. So from this information, we know the reference angle is going to be positive 0.9505 radians. So let's go ahead and label that. Let's also record the reference angle above. And from here, we can determine the smallest possible positive angle containing the given point. Notice it would be 2 pi radians minus the reference angle. So the angle we are looking for, angle A, is equal to 2 pi radians minus 0.9505 radians, which if we take a look at our notes below, if angle A is between 0 and 2 pi radians, and angle A terminates in the 4th quadrant, angle A is equal to 2 pi radians minus the reference angle. So going back to the calculator, we have angle A is approximately 5.3327 radians. I do want to mention another way that we could have found the measure of angle A, the angle we are looking for, would be to take the measure of angle A prime and then add 2 pi radians, because remember the two angles are coterminal. I hope you found this helpful.